A day in my life as a vlogger ni adtong Tagbilaran. For today's video guys, magpasyudad sa ta kay gi-invite ta sa IDP and Bohol English Study and Training Academy launch of the first IELTS on Computer Lab in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Sa dili pa musakay sa ta kay layo-layo ba ito sa syudad, so magsakay sa tagvan para dali mo abot. And niabot na taog ICM and meet Katja. Gasabot ni ani guys nga magdungan unta gikan sa Kalapi, pero layo-layo ba itong atuang kay bukid-bukid, so nakita na sa Tagbilaran sa kanang tricycle. And naabot na mi sa the court building sa Belderol Street. Onya kay third floor man di ay ang ilahang office, so cut na sa taan ni. At last ni abot na ta guys sa third floor. Perma sa taog attendance guys, basin maabsinan ta ani. Wala tayo madawat nga maayuhon. Nindot mo attend tag event guys, kay aside from makakita tag new friends, na ipagkaon best thing yun ipagkaon dali nga part. So salamat kayo Besta and IDP IELTS Bohol.
The Business Development Manager of IDP IELTS Education Philippines, Mr. Ruel Domingo.
And 1, 2, 3.
And there we have it.
12,720. So that's a standard test that we're offering globally. So there's no failing in IELTS. There's no failed mark. Okay, it just so happened that the institution that requires the band score would be assessed, or would be the mark that you have to target. For example, if you're a nursing student, sometimes the institution that require you to take the IELTS would give you a mark of 6.5 to 7. So that is the mark that you have to target. So as you mentioned, we have partnered with BESTA to make sure that the students or the person that's going to take the test would achieve their desired marking or their band score. So
lifting the convenience for the Filipino people and especially for Boholanos.
BESTA and TESDA sounds like BESTA is already a partner in terms of delivery of technical education and skills development.
By working with his own hands, he transformed.
Welcome to the newest IELTS Computer Lab in Bohol.
So mag-room tour sa ta guys, dali ang registration area and speaking test lab. Marapog ko correct ani
Mas kuha na siya man, mas paspas na siya kaysa.
And welcome to their computer lab, the secured test location. Mausad ni ang Bohol English Study and Training Academy office and their simulation area. So kanindot ba sa ilang lugar, no? And after sa launching, so gidong namin nila sa Hotel Gabriela for our lunch. So the best part jud kay kainan. Hotel Gabriela sa dao ni siya. And kainanan. Best thing here is kanang pagkaon na gyud. Mauwi ganahan sa tanan. So kaibog sa mo diha, kalami kay mo ang paniudtoan ni guys. Already na sila naglinya na. Yeah. So start eating na ta guys. This is Kat and John Z. So kaya nabusog na and ako man nag-event. Kat. Smile. Video ni. Na, pero gikapoy man ang beshi oy. Dara, pak. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click follow, like, and share. See you on my next vlog. Bye.